Hello, my algebra students. Notice we only have 10 school days left, including today. I've decided to make tomorrow a test, grade, whatever you call it, be scientific notation, some factoring, and then reducing of fractions. So that's all you'll have to worry about tomorrow. So I'm not making any videos tomorrow. It would be on Schoology. So you might want to look over some scientific notation. And I'll put it out there around 8 to 8:30, somewhere in there. If you get it done and back to me before noon, I'll give you 5 extra credit points. You know, that's optional. You don't have to. But no new video tomorrow, just Monday, go back to the video. Now remember, if you re-download the Schoology, after I grade it, you'll actually see the grade. I've said that several times. But anyways, here, what number goes into 6 and 9? That would be 2/3. Of course, the homework was due last night. 11 of you did it. Very good. Now, this one, you factor out a 2. Here you factor out a 2. And the only thing that cancels is this 2. Now, notice you cannot cancel this 2 with the 4, this x with the x, because you got the plus. So the answer is this fraction here. So this would be x plus 3, x minus 3. Here you factor out a 2. Oh, so the x plus 3's cancel because they're exactly the same. So the answer is x minus 3 over 2. Here, last term's plus. So what are the factors of 4 that add up to 4? And hopefully you know that's 2 and 2. So it'll be x plus 2, x plus 2. Here you factor out a 2. The x plus 2's cancel, bam. Now 2 doesn't cancel with 2. This 2 actually could cancel if there was another 2 on top, but it's x plus 2 cannot be canceled. So it'd be x plus 2 over 2. Here, last term's plus. So what are the factors of 12 that add up to 7? X plus 4, x plus 3. Here's the difference of squares. So it's x plus 4, x minus 4. So the x plus 4's cancel. Bam! So it'll be x plus 3, x minus 4. Here, what are the factors of 20 that add up to 9? That'd be x plus 4, x plus 5. Remember, if the last term is minus... Oh, we got some down here. Okay, good. I didn't think I put it in there. Oh, there's some. Good. And then difference of squares. So it'd be x plus 5, x minus 5. Bam, bam. So that would be x plus 4 over x minus 5. What are the factors of 30? What do you multiply to get 30 but subtract to get 1? Well, that'd be 6 and 5. And the largest one goes with the middle sign. So it'd be x minus 6, x plus 5. Then this one, that's a 10. I actually wrote the number because that was sloppy. Sloppy. So x plus 5, x plus 2. So the x plus 5, bam, bam. So it's x minus 6 over x plus 2. Now notice, why are we doing this? Well, what happens in pre-calc and calc, there's these long formulas where you get a bunch of polynomial terms. So then the second step of the problem is, can we simplify? What if I want to know what happens when I put 30 in for x? Well, notice that. Square it, subtract 30, square it, add 7 times it. Where here you just go 30 minus 6, 30 plus 2, and you better get the same answer because that's what simplify means. So here, difference of squares, so x plus 1, x minus 1. and then factor out a 6, 6x plus 1. So it'd be x minus 1 over 6. Then, by the way, there's 2 videos today. I know, but there's no videos tomorrow, just the test or quit, whatever you want to call it. So last term, I might make 2 different sheets just so it's easier to grade when you have space. But minus, so 90, so x minus 10, x plus 9. And then the factors of 20 that subtract to give you 8 would be 10. Now here's a tip. If you're having trouble to factoring on reducing, multiplying, dividing fractions, always look at the other one. So if I factored this one, I say, oh, I'm stuck. Well, look down here to see if one of those goes on top. But x minus 10, kabammy. So it'd be x plus 9 over x plus 2. I hope this is what you got, kids. Might be a few of these. Oh, there will be a few of these on the test. Have a good day.